Hello, you're speaking with Quishana. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to bring you a little cleaning motivation, and we're going to be resetting this kitchen. Not going to do any deep cleaning, but I am going to do a little light cleaning. Going to put up some dishes, load up the dishwasher, wipe down some countertops, and hand wash some dishes. And we're just going to, get this kitchen a little refreshed. So I was able to get a couple of things done, like the dishes, put up the dishes, cut my strawberries and clean them. But I gotta head out, so I'm gonna have to finish later. So made it back. Today was eventful, I can say. I'm gonna try to finish this kitchen because I did not get everything done. I wanna tidy up, call it a night. These dishes are dry, so I'm putting them up. Washed them earlier, and I got some dishes that I've accumulated in the sink that I'm gonna put in the dishwasher, and we're gonna wipe things down and finish up. Just wanted to pop in and give a rundown of the process of how I began to wipe things down. I remove anything that I want to be removed, that I want to wipe under or behind. I remove it, and then I use my Dawn dish soap. I spray down the countertops. I use a wet rag, wipe everything down. Then I rinse that rag and I wipe everything down again. And then I use a dry microfiber cloth to dry and buff everything up, or I don't know, shine it up, however you want to say.